Hello everyone, myself Manjula Sheshgiri. I'll be presenting the paper Food Processing and Preservation. In that I'll be presenting primary food processing, secondary food processing and tertiary food processing. This belongs to the BSc 5th semester Food Science and Nutrition subject. Okay, first we'll start with the primary food processing. So what is this primary food processing? Actually, this primary food processing turns agricultural products such as raw wheat kernels or livestock into something that can eventually be eaten. This category includes ingredients that are produced by ancient processes such as drying, threshing, winnowing and milling grain, shelling nuts, butchering animals for meat. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಿನ್ನುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಈಗ ಭತ್ತ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂದ, ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂದ ಭತ್ತನ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಭತ್ತದಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಕಿನ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಆ ಅಕ್ಕಿನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್. ಶೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ನಟ್ಟಿಂದ ನಟ್ಸ್ನ ಆಚೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್. ಬುಚರಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನ ಸ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಡಿಬಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ತೆಗಿತಾರಲ್ವ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಬುಚರಿಂಗ್ animals for meat. In continuation with that, here the same thing, it is also includes deboning and cutting meat, freezing and smoking fish and meat, extracting and filtering oils, canning foods, preserving food through food irradiation and handling eggs, as well as homogenizing and pasteurizing the milk. These all are the primary ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕಂಟಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸೋ ವೈಡ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ವೈಡಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಂಟಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ವೆನ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್, ಆವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ HACCP that will be followed. HACCP ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಜಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೇಲಿಯರ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ FMEA ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ harm. Okay, now we'll explain one by one. These are the primary food processing methods. In that, sun drying, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಸನ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡ್ರೈಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಶಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ನ ಏನು ಹಾರ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಡ್ರೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಬಂಡಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಭತ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದುರು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. Okay, similarly the other cereal grains and pulses are also done. Okay, that is called as threshing. And next to threshing is winnowing. Winnowing means here the separated grains andre illi the whole paddy, battagalu. Example I am giving the batta only, or the paddy with a husk. So that will be thrown when the wind comes. So this is completely dependent on the wind. Okay, when the wind comes, the later part, that is the husk part, will move one side, and the heavier part, that is the grain, that will be at the one side. So that is the winnowing. After that we get the grain. The next method is milling. Here milling andre those grains are milled into flour. Wheat flour, rice flour, like that. Shelling nuts, it means removing the nuts from the shell. It may be akhroot, or it may be badam, or it may be the groundnut. See, butchering animal, the one who slaughters the animal, he is called as a butchered man, or it is called as butchering animal. He is separating the edible part and then he cuts the animal for meat. That is called as butchering animal. In continuation with that, here you can see extracting and filtering oil. See, the oil is extracted and filtered. That is also one of the primary food processing method. Candling of egg. Candling of egg, usually in home and all we didn't do this. Many of the people are not aware of this candling of egg. In food industry and all, the candling of egg is done. This is done mainly to grade the egg, how old the egg is, whether it is in the good quality or not. That can be done by doing candling of egg. The other method is pasteurization of milk. Pasteurization of milk, it is also one of the primary food processing method. See what we do at home, we just boil the milk, no, that is also pasteurization of the milk. And in for milk dairy and all, the pasteurization is done. How it is done? The milk is passed through the hot pipes and immediately it is cooled out. That is the pasteurization of the milk. So these all are the primary food processing method. Next we will move to the secondary food processing methods. The secondary food processing method, it is the everyday process of creating food from ingredients that are ready to use. For example, baking bread. See, when we mill the wheat, we get the wheat flour. From that the maida is taken and from that the bread is baked, and also from the wheat flour we prepare chapatis and all. So that is the secondary processing method. Regardless of whether it is made at home, the bread is made at home, or it is made at small bakery, or it is made in the large factory. So this is the best example for secondary food processing. Other methods are like fermenting fish and making wine, beer, this fermentation process, and other alcoholic products. These are traditionally forms of secondary food processing methods. Sausages are common form of secondary processed meat formed by combination, that is grinding of the meat that has already undergone primary processing. Primary processing means butcher man will take out edible part of the meat and that will be minced and that will be chopped, minced, and it is then grinded, and then that whole meat will be packed in some bags and all. That is the sausages. Directly we can take sausage and we can cook that sausage. Okay, it needs less time for cooking. That is also one of the secondary food processing method. Most of these secondary food processing methods, they are known to humankind and are commonly described as cooking methods like boiling, steaming, frying, etc. Most of the cooking methods are also called as secondary processing methods. For example, here we can see the boiling. See, in boiling the food ingredients are completely dipped in the water, so that is a boiling. Blanching, here some fruits or vegetables, they are dipped in a boiling water for few seconds, that is the blanching. This is done to kill some of the microorganisms if it is present in the food ingredients. That is the blanching. Pressure cooking, everyone knows about this, cooking under the pressure. For this some a special equipment is needed, that is the pressure cooker. So in the pressure cooker the pressure will be formed and under that the food is cooked. That is the pressure cooking. Steaming, here the food is not directly coming with the in contact with the water, but it will cooked with the help of steam of the boiling water. That is the steaming. Next is stewing. Stewing, it is here both the vegetables are also stewed and non-vegetarian foods are also stewed. Even meat is also stewed. Stewing means cooking the food ingredients with a very less amount of water. Especially this method of cooking, it requires long time. It takes long time because it is cooked in the low flame. The next one is grilling. Here grilling is we can grill the vegetables also, and we can grill the fish, chicken and all, even the mutton also we can grill. Grilling means below the fire will be there, above that one iron plate will be kept, and it is cooked with the help of that fire only. Okay, so that is the grilling. Many types of grillings are also there. Then this is the shallow frying. In shallow frying, it takes very less amount of oil. Best example for shallow frying is the cutlet preparation, and even those also we can take. And then the other method is deep frying. Deep frying, here the food ingredients are fried in such a way that all the food ingredients should be dipped in the oil completely. So next is baking. Baking, we know that cooking in the oven. Okay, that is the baking. Fermenting. Fermenting, here it's a aerobic action or also anaerobic action. Here it is kept for fermentation, where some alcohols will be produced and that will be taken. That is also secondary food processing method. The other food processing methods are like poaching. Poaching, it involves cooking in the minimum amount of water at a temperature of 80 to 85 degrees centigrades. Food generally poached are eggs, fish and fruits. Eggs cooked quickly by poaching method, and the other method is pan broiling or roasting. Pan broiling is also called as roasting. It means when the food is cooked uncovered on a heated metal or a frying pan. Method is known as pan broiling. A best example for this is groundnuts or chapatis. They are roasted on the heated metal. Without addition of water also we can do this. Here without addition of oil we can do this. What happens if we do roasting? It reduces the moisture content of the food and it improves the keeping quality. Example, groundnuts. If without roasting, if we keep the groundnuts, we can keep it for 1 month and all. But if we roast and keep the groundnut, we can keep it for more than 1 month. Okay. The next one is stir frying. Stir frying, especially the stir frying, it is invented by the Chinese people. And here the food like meat or vegetables, they are cooked by constantly stirring at high fire. What happens here is they often slice the vegetables on a diagonal to expose the maximum amount of surface area for quick cooking. Diagonally, they won't cut it straight, they will cut it diagonally, and by continuously stirring at a high fire, this can be done. Here also very less amount of oil is required. Next is sorting. You might be knowing this. This method involves just enough amount of oil to grease the pan. If we grease the pan with oil, that much oil is enough for this. Here what happens, the food is tossed occasionally or turned over with a spatula to enable all pieces to come in contact with the oil and get cooked evenly. So the next is tertiary food processing. Primary food processing, secondary food processing and tertiary food processing. Tertiary food processing is the large scale manufacturing of ready to eat foods like frozen pizzas and packaged snacks. The term processed food typically refers to food products manufactured through tertiary food processing. Some food require multiple types of processing to reach their final consumable forms. For example, tortilla chips, corn is grown, then harvested, and it is nixtamalized. The process of soaking it in an alkaline solution before being made into dough, and then it is made to ready to eat food. You can see some pictures, and other example for this is also a TV dinner, we can call it as, or airline dinner, where in airline and all they used to give tertiary foods only. Just open it and eat it. So these are the tertiary. You can see the MTR tertiary food product, tertiary processed food product. Here not much cooking is required. This very less cooking is required for this tertiary food processing tertiary food processed foods. So many of the working people, they can use these products to save their time and all. These are the references which I have used. So in this we learned about the primary food processing, secondary food processing, and tertiary food processing methods.